Hello everyone, welcome to With the Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the animations so your phone can actually be faster. First of all, for this to work you need to have Android 5.1.1 or higher. I think it works for 4, but you guys can try it anyway. So the first thing you want to do is to go into your settings, and then after you went into your settings, just go to About Phone, then go to Software Information. Now I have Android 7.0, so yeah, it will work for me. Now you want to press build number. You want to press it 7 times so it can work. My one already is enabled, so I don't need to do it. After you've done that 7 times, something here called developer options. Click it and make sure it's turned on. Yeah, it does give some errors sometimes, that's what it says, but I haven't seen any errors when I left it on. So then you have to scroll down, and here, window animations, transition, all of these animations, make sure you turn them all off to 0. Yeah, now your phone actually will be faster. For example, see, when I go to home screen, much faster. There's no animation. Now it looks faster because there's no animations. So yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, thanks for watching.